Ladies and gentlemen, I wish I could have been with you in person, but I am participating in the Informal Transport Council in Warsaw scheduled for today, and even the fastest plane would not get me back to Brussels to join you in time. I would therefore like to thank the Clean Aviation Joint Undertaking for allowing me to speak to you in this way. Let me start by saying what an important job you're doing. I am sure this message has been coming up several times today. I know we are all committed to reducing CO2 emissions from aviation. We also share an understanding of how complex and complicated it is. Despite clear progress in the transition to sustainable aviation over the years, the industry remains under pressure to accelerate technological developments and show both impact and results. Communication is very important. The general public have a tendency to doubt the sector's potential to deliver on climate neutrality. Only you can change minds. And we do want to work on this together. In February, the Commission launched its Clean Industrial Deal, which should free up more than 100 billion euro in investment to support the industrial transition. Leveraging private investment through InvestEU and increasing the firepower of the Innovation Fund are starting points. Right now, we are looking into the operating conditions. We are also looking at state aid rules and options to better integrate EU and member states funding. Aeronautics is an industry with considerable investment capacity, and Europe is so well placed to take advantage of this. We are a leader in aircraft manufacturing and in investments in sustainable aviation technologies. And I know that your next question would be on the next multi-annual financial framework. But I also know that at this moment I cannot really offer any insights. But please make sure that you do contribute to the ongoing public consultations on exactly that topic. But we have one example on how the EU can effectively leverage investment in your industry, and it is called the Clean Aviation Joint Undertaking. It is the largest partnership under Horizon Europe, with the largest contribution from the EU budget. And I look forward to the results of the 380 million euro third call for projects. I am eager to see your ideas on ultra-efficient, unblended, SAF-compliant combustion and hybrid solutions. Towards the end of the programme, we also hope to see further investment in hydrogen-powered aviation. But all the objectives we have ahead of ourselves cannot really be obtained through one single instrument, single measure, or a single entity, which brings me to the important topic of cooperation. I know the word is used a lot in EU contexts, but it can never be overused. So I am very pleased to see cooperation with the European Aviation Safety Agency taking shape. Early contacts will reduce time to market and ensure adequate preparation time for the certification processes for both industry and the regulator. I also welcome the partnership between the Clean Aviation Joint Undertaking and CESAR-JU on the European Aviation Research and Innovation Strategy. I definitely look forward to the results of the current consultations. I can only encourage more of this cooperation to showcase your industry and its crucial importance for worldwide connectivity. I realize that there is a good chance that you have heard everything or almost everything of what I just said from other speakers today. But I still wanted to make sure that I use this opportunity to address you today, and I look forward to our continuous discussions and cooperation. We have a work to do, we know where we are heading, and we have a pathway to land there. And no, we cannot get there without European aviation on board.